Yo, hello, the DJ Ground, and I want to share with you guys my latest Traktor Maschine Micro mk2 mapping. Down to the ground, here we have mute button. Wait. Mute button. These are cues for deck A and deck B. You can delete the cues with note repeat, and you press the button where the cue is stored, and then it is out. You can map it again. Just press the button. This is deck A, deck B. Then we have the solo button. This is pitch play for Q1, only for Q1. For example, you have two octaves. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. And here you have for deck B. Deck A, deck B. Then you have the select button. Also deck B, deck A. And the difference here is that is a pitch play but on floating cues. For example, the latest cue you pressed, it will be played with the pads. For example, it's on Q1, but if I press, for example, this cue, you play on that cue point. It's very nice. Then we have the button duplicate, and with duplicate we have loops. Loops for deck A, deck B. Press one time, the loop is on. Two times, the loop is out. Then we have the button View. View is for the remix decks. I only load 4 samples because I don't use more than 4. And for example, then you have the play button is for stopping the deck C, the remix deck. And you have the second row are only effects. For example, the effects are on, off, on. But you have to press effect group number 3 in the sampling or in browse number 4. For example, in sampling I have a delay. Here I have mapped a flanger.
Bust that word up. Keep the technique. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, right.
And the third row, it's a key lock. So you have here the effects and here key lock. Here you can adjust the volume, the gain of deck C. These are not mapped yet. I think I am going to map this for scratching, internal mode or scratching mode for deck C, so I can scratch with the remix deck. And here, main button is sync. I think you can't see that, but it glows. Sync button. Sync for deck C, because sometimes you need to sync deck C to the master and or deck A or deck B. And here I have in pad mode, I have freeze mode for deck A. But you have to adjust here the size of the loop, for example 8, and then pad mode. And the bottom grid is flux mode for this deck. Flux mode off. And in pattern, you have the same thing, but for deck B, the flux button works also only for deck C, or for deck B, and for deck B, you can adjust. When you press pattern, you change the focus of the deck, and you can change the size of the loop in freeze mode with step down, step up. In scene button, I have mapped the outputs. Prefader, prefader deck A, prefader deck B, prefader remix deck, and the output, so you can watch your gains. There are 3 buttons here, also mapped. This is calibrate deck A, calibrate deck B, and this is limiter on off. And I think it's not all. Restart button, it loads the song or the sample in deck C without any question, so you have to be very careful. Right button on deck A, erase, and that's all. Thank you guys, and hope you enjoy that. Merry Christmas.